Yinasire, how are you? Today we'll be looking at numbers, but randomly, okay? So numbers in Birom part 3. 15 is Rikuru Nabitun. Rikuru Nabitun. Now, Rikuru is 10. Na and Bitumun is 5, which simply means 10 and 5, which gives you 15. So Rikuru Nabitumun is 15 in Birom. 29 in Birom is Kuruba Nashatat. Kuruba Nashatat. Kuruba is 20, Na and Shatat is 9. So what it simply means is 20 and 9 is 29, right? So Kuruba Nashatat is 29. 101. Remember, Naga is 100. Just like in English you say 100. In Birom you say Naga, or you say 100. In Birom you say Naga winning. So Naga winning, no winning. Naga winning, no winning. 101. Naga winning, 100. Na and 1 winning. Naga winning, no winning. 101. Finally, I have 763. 763. Naga Bitama is 700, okay? Na and Kuru Timin is 60. Kuru Timin is 60, okay? Na and Bitat is 3. Bitat 3. Now, 763 in Birom is Naga Bitama na Kuru Timin na Bitat, which means 760 and 3. 760 and 3. 763. Naga Bitama na Kuru Timin na Bitat. Okay? We will put a halt to today's class here. Please take your time to practice what you are learning. It will go a long way in your life. Thank you so much.